This is the home for the physically handicapped children located at Wanavdi. The institute is celebrating its golden jubilee year. His Excellency, the President's visit, a golden moment. एक सुवर्ण क्षण. A national flag is every Indian's pride. It kindles a feeling of patriotism and nationalism in the minds of every Indian. These girls, looking beautiful in the traditional Maharashtrian sari, are eagerly waiting to welcome their beloved and respected President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Anxiety, excitement has reached its peak, and the wait came to an end. The missile man, with wings of fire, the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is every child's inspiration, finally arrived. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Vilas Rao Deshmukh, was also given a warm welcome. Everyone present at the institute felt blessed. He was extended a warm and humble welcome with great adoration in the truly Bharatiya tradition. The institute's premise and its surrounding were blooming with guests who were thrilled and excited to have a glimpse of their beloved president. Every esteemed guest planted a sapling according to the tradition of the institute. This establishes an inseparable bond of the guest with the institute in the form of the sapling. The noble president, who has advocated the mantra of development, has sent across a message of saving environment by planting a tree. The President laid the foundation stone of the project, which will be built at a cost of Rs 3.5 crores. The new building will have more capacity, and so the institute can accommodate more handicapped children from the society. The Vice Chairman, Advocate Murlidhar Kasre, showed the President a prototype of the proposed new building. The Chairman, Dr. Vilas Zog, shared additional information about the day-to-day working of the Institute with the President. An exhibition of articles made by the students of the Institute was organized on the occasion of the President's visit. He was deeply touched and satisfied by the unselfish and continuous service of 50 years, which is clearly visible on the President's face. He was shown the gift items, wooden articles, garments, and the water purification system made by them. A separate wing has been built specially for the girls. There are some children who cannot even sit upright and so cannot attend the function. The humble President himself first visited these children before moving towards the podium. His Excellency was given a standing ovation with a big round of applause by all the students, staff members and the guests. He too accepted their hospitality by shaking hands with the students and waving at them. The President was ceremoniously guided onto the stage built to commemorate the Society's 50th birthday. An expressive emblem of the Society and a banner bearing the president's image at the back of the dais attracted everyone's attention. Soon after the president took his seat, the vice chairman, Advocate Muralidhar Kachre, welcomed him with a bouquet and a memento. The Chief Minister, Mr. Vilas Rao Deshmukh, was also welcomed by the Vice Chairman, Dr. Jain. The Society's Chairman, Dr. Vilas Zog, in a speech humbly briefed about the history, developments and achievements of the Society for the Welfare of the Physically Handicapped Research Center.
To start with, there were only 6 students who were handicapped staying in a small cottage way back in 1956. And now you have seen there is a home full of love and affection and care catering for 230 inmates. I am proud to tell you, sir, that these children have bagged 18 gold medals, 19 silver medals, and 6 bronze medals in the national level swimming championship last year.
The students presented a breathtaking cultural program and won the hearts of everyone present. Tabla playing is not easy. It requires strong hands, strong fingers, and the ability to sit down. The well-coordinated tabla orchestration was a feast to watch. The students' handicap and their inability to sit down on the stage did not deter them from giving a power-packed performance, which received a lot of appreciation from the audience. The president was stunned and astonished by their performance. The Farmer's Folk Song was a classic example of the students' willpower, interest, and determination. But overcoming their handicap, some, even wearing calipers, dared to dance with ease. This spectacular presentation touched the bottom of everyone's heart. Everyone present experienced thrill, a sense of pride, a feeling of patriotism and nationalism when our national song Vande Mataram was rendered with full zest and vigor. It was as if the children at the institute were trying to say to the world that in spite of their handicap, they still share the same feeling of love, patriotism and pride towards the nation as any normal Indian. Beautiful gifts and greetings made by the students were offered as mementos to the Honorable President and our respected Chief Minister.
गेली 50 वर्ष या संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून अपंगांचं पुनर्वसन करण्याचं काम अतिशय नेटाने आणि जिद्दीने केलं जात आहे आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये आत्मविश्वास जागा करण्याचं काम.
The Chief Minister, Mr. Vilas Rao Deshmukh, in a speech mentioned that it's been the Society's uninterrupted 50 years of hard work and determination. The Society has done a noble and humble job of generating and boosting self-confidence in, giving proper treatment to, and imparting proper knowledge to the students. The Institute has also taught them how to create job opportunities for themselves and become self-reliant.
ती त्यांच्याकडनं उत्तम पद्धतीनं पार पाडावीत आणि म्हणून 10 लाख रुपये मी मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या
He
निधीतनं
expressed content and satisfaction and on this auspicious occasion announced a donation of rupees 10 lakhs for the institute as a token of appreciation. Now the moment came when every ear was keen and eager to listen to the nectar-like words from the noble and respected president.
Friends, I am very happy to be with you all, special children. I call you special children. In every aspect of your movement, your face all radiating with happiness. God bless you. Delighted to visit the Society for the Welfare of the Physically Handicapped Research Center at Vanwadi, Pune, and to interact with you all. My greetings to the team who have worked constantly and on the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration. I am happy that the society has built up infrastructure for carrying out the rehabilitation, surgeries, physiotherapy, and workshop for fabricating orthotic and prosthetic aids. I am happy to note that the society is conducting vocational courses for the rehabilitation of the inmates. I would like to greet all of you. Even though I have prepared a big lecture for you, I am not going to do that, but I am going to narrate 2 incidents. I would like to explain an incident which took place in Rashtrapati Bhavan on 27th November 2003. I met about 1,000 differently challenged children who were taking part in the Olympics. They were extremely enthusiastic to visit Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the environment gave them happiness. To that gathering, I recited a small poem which I would like to share with you. It goes like this: we are all God's children. We are all God's children. Our minds are stronger than diamond. We will win, win, win with our mighty will. God is with us. Who can be against? On hearing this, a boy from Iran by name Mustafa came to me, who did not have both legs and was fitted with the artificial limbs. He thrust a paper on my hand. He has written a beautiful poem with courage in Persian language. The poem called Courage, it reads like this: I don't have legs. I have great willpower. My mind says, don't weep, for I need not bow even in front of a king. I was really moved by this positive thinking of that boy. It shows the courage to face the life with the optimism. I wish all of you to carry this message to make your life meaningful, and God will bless you.
देश में देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखे। जो अनपढ़ है उन्हें पढ़ाए, जो चुप है उनको वाणी दे। बिछड़ गए जो उन्हें बढ़ाए, प्यासी धरती को पानी दे। हम मेहनत के दीप जलाकर नया उजाला करना सीखे। देश हमें
The Honorable President was deeply touched after listening to the song with patriotic message rendered by these children who are fighting every moment of their life for their existence and well-being. The President, true to his own self, could not hold himself back on the stage. Leaving aside the protocol and his position's grandeur, came down from the stage to be a part of them and encouraged them to ask questions.
सर 2020 साली भारतापुढे कोणती आव्हानं असतील आणि त्यासाठी आम्ही काय करू शकतो?
What shall be challenges before India in 2020 and what can we do to face them?
Well, dear children, it's a beautiful, dear, what's your name?
Sarika Khandu Maske.
Very good question. 2020, when you are all growing, India before 2020, be a prosperous nation, okay? And all children be educated, and all children be empowered, and particularly special children will be taken care of, and all of you, whomever you meet, if you can walk, the child cannot walk, you help the child. If you can see the child who cannot see because of eye defect, you help her or the boy. So always be helpful. God will be with you. You will be contributing for the nation.
2020 मध्ये तुम्हाला जो प्रश्न पडलाय त्यावेळेला भारताचं भवितव्य खूप उज्ज्वल असेल. तुम्ही मंडळी खूप मोठी झालेले असाल, शिकलेले असाल. तुम्ही जेव्हा समाजात वावरत असाल त्यावेळेला ज्यांना कोणाला चालता येत नसेल त्यावेळेला तुम्ही आत्तापर्यंतच्या तुमच्या अनुभवावर पाठबळावर त्यांना मदत करा चालण्यासाठी. एखाद्याला दिसत नसेल तर त्याला दिशा दाखवायला मदत करा. इतरांना मदत कराल तर तुमच्या पाठीशी परमेश्वर आणि सर्वजण असतील आणि अशा सगळ्यांच्या परस्पर सहकार्यावर भारताचं भवितव्य उज्ज्वल असेल.
माझं नाव रुपाली सकट आहे. सर, माझा एक प्रश्न आहे. तुम्ही 4 तास झोपता आणि एवढे उत्साही कसे आहात असा मला प्रश्न पडलाय.
Well, you are smiling. You are smiling with your special children. When you are smiling, why not we smile? Why not we work hard?
सर, आपल्या सर्वात आनंदाचा क्षण कोणता आहे?
Oh, fantastic question. Very good question. बोलिए. You know, I have done many things. A rocket I have done. With my team, missile we have done with my team, and some nuclear tests we have done with our teams. But everything gives happiness. But the biggest happiness or Anand.